is the 7 Series, the Drive Steady 7 Series. You can see that this is a very dirty car here. Very dirty. It hasn't been washed in quite some time. So just a walk around here. Here's the wheels so you can get a perspective of what they look like when they're clean. Here they are dirty, but you get the idea. This car is very, very dirty. Very dirty car. And we're gonna make it look nice and clean once we're done. It's a nice sunny day. Hopefully the cleanliness will come through. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you what products I use as I'm washing the 7 Series. So for the soap, I use the Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. This is the yellow one, the 1 gallon. And what I've done is, for easy dispense, I've ordered this pump, which I will also link in the comments below. But this works really well. I usually switch between this and the 007 from Chemical Guys, so I like this. And of course I use the gun from Chemical Guys. I also like to use the Adams one, but currently I'm using this. The next thing I use, which works amazing, you'll see in the video here, is this Adams cleaner, wheel cleaner. This gets rid of brake dust and all the grime that comes onto your wheels. This works amazing. I highly recommend this. And the wheel woolies. I know these are kind of expensive, but again, also highly recommended. So here's one size so you can see for perspective. This one works really well if you've got a sports car with a bunch of spokes that has big brakes. So this gets you inside your wheel barrels very effectively. This one works well for your lug nuts to get the dirt inside there. And this last one is the longest one. This works really well if you just got like standard 5-spoke wheels, kind of like the 7 does. And these, again, like I said, are expensive but highly effective and highly recommended. This is the Chemical Guys microfiber washer, and Chemical Guys buckets here, and the dirt traps for those buckets. And finally, once we're done, the Car Guys tire shine spray, which works very effectively. Again, you guys will see in the video. These two right here I highly recommend for washing and tire shine. And this is the Sunjo SPX 3000 pressure washer. It's an electric pressure washer, does not use gas. It's pretty effective. I don't really have a lot of experience with gas washers, but this works pretty well. And I have the extension on there, the 25-foot extension, and it makes it a lot easier to wash the entire car without moving this unit. I believe the base unit comes with a 9-foot hose, and I found it to be a little short, and the need to move the thing around kind of gets a little annoying. So we'll start off by washing the wheels. I like to do an initial spray down before I apply any of the products. So let's do that first. I like to use a little bit of soap, the initial round, and use the wheel woolly. So see, with this wheel woolly, I can get all the way inside the wheel barrel. I don't know if you can see that, pretty much to the edge of the wheel, and I can get it all clean all the way through. Any guy that has a sports car with big brakes will appreciate these wheel woolies for sure. Nice and clean. Let me show you with the other one, the smaller size. Here's a smaller size one. This works really well in between here. You can get pretty full coverage cleaning your wheels with these wheel woolies. And like I said, they work really, really nicely. And here's the smallest size for your lug nuts here on your wheels. This cleans the inside. So if you're really meticulous and you really want to get in here, this is also very effective. So it comes in a 3-pack, 3 different sizes, and you pretty much can use all of them while you're cleaning your wheels. What I like to do now is apply the Adams wheel cleaner. So you apply this pretty generously. You could apply it on a wet wheel. And the trick behind this guy, if you read the bottle contents, is it starts to change color. And you can see it working. The color will turn purple. I don't know if you can see it on the brakes here, but look at that. See that? The color's changing to purple. Well, it kind of has a funky smell, but it's worth it for the end result. See here? Look at that. See that purple coming through? So that's the product starting to work. You got purple soap. That means it's working. It's doing its job. So after letting it sit for a little bit, you just wash it down. So this is the after product. You can see that it's very clean. Even inside the wheelbarrows here, you can see that the polish, the Adams wheel cleaner, gets it all out. It looks really nice, especially if you got the wheel woolies. You can get all the way inside the barrel. Highly recommend the wheel woolies for sure, in conjunction with the wheel cleaner. So now we start using the pressure washer. Remember how this was so dirty? Look at that. Really, really bad. Really ugly. So now we like to wash it down with the pressure washer first, and then get to the soap. Let's go. So this is after the initial clean without any soap, and I love the way the mineral white shines in the sun on this 7 Series. It looks really, really nice. So for now, the initial dirt is off. Remember that hood? How dirty it was? There we go, a little bit cleaner now.